A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. If you are looking for a free and professional video editor for YouTube or some other platform, then you have landed on the right spot. This video will provide overview of some best-in-class free video editing software being used by professional YouTubers with no watermarks and no time limitations. This tutorial series is rolled out to teach you these free video editing software. So roll up your sleeves and get warm up for the thrill, which starts with this DaVinci Resolve introductory video. DaVinci Resolve comes with both free and paid versions. But the free version is packed with lots of features that fulfills the needs of most people. On the downside, there's a steep learning curve and it is also resource hungry. DaVinci Resolve is the world's only solution that combines editing, color correction, visual effects, motion graphics and audio post-production all in one software tool. By learning DaVinci Resolve, you're learning how to use the exact same tools used by Hollywood professionals. High-end professionals working on feature films and television shows use DaVinci Resolve more than any other solution. DaVinci Resolve features a whole new way of remote collaboration using cloud-based workflows. You can host project libraries using Blackmagic Cloud and collaborate on the same timeline, in real time with multiple users all over the world. DaVinci Resolve is divided into pages, each of which gives you a dedicated workspace and tools for a specific task. Editing is done on the cut and edit pages. Color correction on the color page. Visual effects and motion graphics on the Fusion page. Audio on the Fairlight page, and media organization and output on the Media and Deliver pages. All it takes is a single click to switch between tasks. In addition to the standard tools to edit your projects, there are advanced tools for motion graphics and audio editing. The familiar track layout, dual monitor design and traditional workflow makes it easy for new users to learn while still being powerful enough for professional editors. Packed with a library full of hundreds of titles, transitions, and effects that you can add and animate, DaVinci Resolve is perfect for larger projects such as feature films, television shows, streaming, commercials, documentaries and more. The color page lets you manipulate color in creative and artistic ways, making it an incredibly powerful part of the storytelling process. Whether you're a student, online creator, or professional Hollywood colorist, you get hundreds of artistic tools in an easy-to-learn node-based interface that makes experimenting with color fast and exciting. The Fusion page is where you can let your imagination go wild and create cinematic visual effects and motion graphics. Fusion is ideal for everything from quick fixes such as retouching and repairing shots to creating true Hollywood caliber effects. Fairlight is the world's first and only audio post-production software that is completely integrated with picture editing. It provides you with dozens of professional tools for recording, editing, mixing, dialogue replacement, sound cleanup and repair, equalization, dynamics processing, and mastering soundtracks in all standard formats from stereo and surround sound up to the latest immersive 3D audio formats. DaVinci Resolve is not limited to Hollywood. It comes with two flavors. The free version lets you use the same tools that professional Hollywood artists use. DaVinci Resolve Studio has a one-time cost and includes additional tools like Neural Engine, dozens of additional Resolve FX, temporal and spatial noise reduction, stereoscopic 3D, film grain, optical blur and mist effects, and more. Both versions are available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. This was a brief overview of DaVinci Resolve. If you are interested in this free video editing software for your first video, then stick around to our channel where we are going to upload a complete tutorial series on this topic for free. Thank you for watching.